Hello and welcome back to my data cleaning tutorial with Pandas. I will restart the Jupyter notebook now and run all the cells again. Um, yeah, if you just joined here, you should watch the previous video so you can easily catch up with our progress. Yeah, we made a little X course about data structures and stuff. And now let's go back to the Stack Overflow survey. The first step will be to have a look at the first 5 rows with the head method, so you can see the columns and rows again. What I also want to show you is how to get a sample of the dataset, because with the head method you always get the first 5 rows of the dataset, and with sample, as you can see, the IDs, response IDs, it picks randomly 20 samples. No, that's quite helpful to get a better overview of the dataset. Yeah, and now let's move on to filter the data. Um, this is a crucial part for data science because you will be in a lot of situations where you have to reduce the data set and filter certain data points. So as you can see, we named the data frame, the the column, and double equal, say Austria, and we apply the filter below. You can then easily apply the filter by naming the data frame and putting the filter underline Austria in curly brackets. So let's have a look. This should return all the Austrian devs participated in the survey, and as you can see, it's 808 Austrian devs. Next thing we can do is to have a look at how many devs from each country participated in the Stack Overflow survey. Therefore, I will set the Pandas option display max rows to 200, so we can see all the rows. The next step is to get the value count. We can, since we want to display it, we assign it to a variable. So it's devs per country is equal to survey df column country, and we use the dot value underline counts. All right, as you can see, there are a lot of rows. One thing that might be quite interesting is to get the top 25 countries in terms of developers participated in the survey. So we can do that by using the head method as before. The default value is 5, so we're going to change that to 25. As you can see, we have a lot of devs coming from United States of America. Also, there are a lot coming from Israel, Switzerland, and also from Austria. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and hopefully you enjoyed. Yeah, happy coding, happy studying. See you soon.